Hi, you guys. How are y'all? It's been a while. I'm back from the coast. I made it back to my saw. My baby still has my mama and Tata agate sitting in it. But this thing is filthy. And I have new oil. So I'm fixing to get this sucker cleaned. So I got it unhooked. And I got me it's a 3.5 gallon. 5 gallon would probably be safer. But I got it multiple weights so that it won't get all over the ground, hopefully. And I'm gonna open it up. And I'm gonna go from there. Because over the past, I think 4 months now, I have thoroughly and completely used this well. But now I gotta clean, so, okay. Maybe I should put a glove on. Hold on. I want to put a glove on. Okay. Glove intact, so I may not get filthy. Let's see. So to empty this, I just gotta unscrew this off. I immediately turned it the wrong way. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Please go in the bucket. Ew. Okie dokie. Let's just sit that right there. Ugh. Some of it's still nice and clear. Okay, I may have to let this sit. Oh, and it advised me a scrapie out of an old, one of those things you use in the kitchen. Hopefully it works. Oh yeah, sludge. Yeah, I'll be back after a while. Watch this, y'all. It's so slutty. Absolutely disgusting. Yuck. Look, y'all. I'm an hour in and I have made it to the green. It's getting there. It's getting there. Now I need, I think, massive amounts of rags. The throwaway kind. But it only put just a little bit more in the next 3.5 gallon bucket. So 3.5 gallons actually worked for me. It didn't overflow. I think I'm going to be good to go with that amount coming out because it does evaporate. But I'm getting there.